Alrighty, well, Walgreens did not have any socks, so oh well, I shall dry my current ones out at work. I don't know why. I don't know if it's just my luck, or it's because I ride in the left lane, or what. But whenever it rains, it always gets more water in my left shoe. I don't know. I don't get it. Anyway, guys, High Beam Tommy here. I apparently that entire ride to work this morning did not get recorded, which kind of sucks because I nearly got ran over. And the guy turned his turn signal on to change lanes and just made a change, or made a lane change without doing a head check and nearly hit me. But yeah, that was an interesting one. But anyway, hope you guys are liking the new camera angle. Hopefully you guys can see over the gauges now, not into the gauges, but we'll see, because I'm trying out a new it's not a new mount, it's the exact same mount, it's just different positioning on the mount. So yeah, but yeah, we're on Yonge Street. My work is right down the street from where we were just at, so we are going to go get some breakfast and then go to work. But taking you guys with me, I guess. I hope you guys are doing all right in this pandemic. I know this, I'm an essential worker. I'm very, very blessed to be an essential worker, but at the same time, it's putting a lot of stress on myself and my family. So we shall see the outcome of all this BS, if you would. But yeah, man, I don't know. What do I want for breakfast? Do I want 7-Eleven, which is, you know, not the greatest breakfast if you even want to consider that food, or do I want Jack in the Box? Subway I wish was open, but they're not open yet. So let's go park the bike and let's go figure out what to do.
What's up, Mary?
What up?
The most